So today we are cooking up a comforting and flavorful dish, chicken stew curry. This hearty and wholesome curry is perfect for a cozy evening meal. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making this delicious chicken stew curry. From cooking the chicken to simmering the stew, I'll make sure you have everything you need to recreate this heartwarming dish in your own kitchen. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 600 grams chicken, boneless and cut in medium pieces. Add half teaspoon crushed black pepper. Add some salt to taste. Add half tablespoon lemon juice, 1 stock cube, and mix it and marinate it for about half an hour. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 2 onions chopped and then fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 green chilies chopped, 2 Kashmiri dry red chilies chopped, 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and then fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the marinated chicken. Add 2 potatoes cut in small cubes, 2 tomatoes chopped, and then fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then cover it and cook it until the potatoes are half cooked. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the potatoes are soft. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 cup coconut milk, half tablespoon lemon juice, add some salt to taste, handful of chopped coriander leaves, and then give it a nice mix. And cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a delicious and comforting chicken stew curry. The tender chicken, flavorful broth and hearty vegetables come together to create a truly satisfying meal. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creation. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.